Hi, I'm Craig from TruckSmart Isuzu here in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. I'm here to show you a brand new 2025 Isuzu FTR. We had upfitted with a Morgan 26-foot box on it. As we walk around it, you'll see it's equipped with a 100-gallon aluminum fuel tank, air brakes, and as we walk around the back, you'll notice it has a 3,300-pound Dhollandia Tuckaway liftgate. Inside the box has 2 rows of E-track, and it also has the translucent roof with a LED light in the center. So the 2025 has a Cummins 6.7 liter engine in it, so it's a big change from what Isuzu used to put in their trucks. They used to have the 4-cylinder turbos, which were not anywhere near as powerful as the Cummins. So you got a great engine in this truck. It's actually the same engine that's put in all the Freightliner and International trucks as well. If you want to step inside, I can show you some of the inside features. Before I do that, I let you know also that it comes with the Allison transmission as well. So inside you'll notice that it has a 7-inch touchscreen radio, which is Bluetooth capable. It also has a backup camera as well. This truck's equipped with heated mirrors and power mirrors as well. And of course, in all the Isuzus, power windows, power door locks, and cruise control. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime at 215-946-7221. I'm at extension 102. I can also be reached after hours on my cell phone at 215-939-6689. And I just wanted to take the time to thank everyone for taking a shot and listening to my video today. Have a great day.